town with the great football team. We cheer the Pittsburgh Steelers.
Hey guys, so hope you're having a magical day. We just got back from Hot Topic, and so I had Hot Cash, which if you're not familiar with it, it's basically when you spend money, you earn money. So depending on how much you spend is how much you earned. So I had $30 off of $60, and you can use it on anything in the store. Again, I had 30 off of 60. I spent more than 60, of course. I think my total was $115, and my Hot Cash brought it down to like 80 something, and I donated. So I think it was like $86 for everything. I didn't get much. I got 4 items. So yeah. So I just started collecting these. I put them on my little display upstairs with all my lounge flies. But basically, they are new Hot Topic exclusives, and they're Funko Pops. And so they're the Diamond collection, which Hot Topic seems to be the only place I can find them. So I got Christmas Winnie the Pooh, and he's basically got his Santa hat and a bag of toys, and he's covered in glitter, which is why they call it the Diamond Collection. I'm not gonna take it out of the box because I do not take these out of the box. I display them in the box just because I'm hoping one day, oh, his eye's all messed up. I'm hoping one day they'll be worth millions.
$1 million.
And then the other one, which Anthony pointed out, I didn't even see this one, but you don't see Hades from Hercules a lot.
I know! You know, I know, I got it. I got the concept.
He's the villain, but I got him, and he's not as glittery as Winnie the Pooh, but his robe and his hair are glittery. So yeah, so that's Hades. Again, won't take them out of the box, but, and they have like Hercules, Meg, Phil, Baby Pegasus, and Baby Hercules. So I don't know if I'm gonna get all of them, but I just kind of get what I see. Those were $14.50 a piece, but they came down to $7 a piece. And then this is a lounge fly bag. It's not the typical backpack that I get, but it was on clearance for $29, and clearance at Hot Topic was buy one, get one for $1. So this was one of the things that I got, and it is a frozen kind of satchel almost, and it's that vegan leather, and it does have the Disney Loungefly logo, and it says Destiny Awaits with some snowflakes. And also the back of it is Elsa.
Let it go, 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 go, let it go.
And it has some hooks here. Nala is going shopping. It has some hooks on the side, so you can make it kind of like shoulder bag or a crossbody. It has straps in there. It's a pretty large size with an inner zipper pocket. Again, I won't use this. It'll just go up for display.
Yeah, it sounds like something a bougie person would say.
But this again was $29, but it ended up coming down to $11 with my Hot Cash. So the other thing that I got for the clearance item was this amazing Disney Super Plush Throw, and it's Mickey Mouse. So I'm actually gonna open it with you guys here. I can find my scissors. Nala again is going shopping.
He is straight up in there.
Yep. He goes and he lays in the Disney bags in the room. He just lays there. So.
Yeah, that's what he's doing right now. He's camping. Look at his head. The only thing out is his head.
He does that in the Disney bags.
This cat loves bags and boxes more than anything. And he has like toys for days, yet he...
So, this isn't as big as I thought it was going to be, actually. Oh, yes it is, I guess.
Is it like big enough to sleep with?
Yeah. So, they have these little things all over them. Okay. So, oh, look how cute!
Yeah, it's a nice size.
I love this!
Yeah.
So it's Mickey Mouse, it's striped, and then it has his signature logo, Mickey Mouse. Yeah, you could sleep with this, definitely. Or it could be like a pillow or a blanket down here.
Mm-hmm.
So this was originally $25. It was on clearance for $20, but with my hot cash and the buy one get one for $1, it was only $7. And what they do with their clearance, instead of ringing something up at full price and then ringing the next thing off for $1, they actually split the items to make it the highest price.
Nice.
If that makes sense. And I cannot see how much this bag was worth originally. Oh, $45. So that came down to $11.
Nice.
Okay. So this final item, I'm super excited because I've been looking everywhere for it.
Is it a Siamese Himalayan?
It is not, but there he is. Huh, babies? Yeah. Ow. Ow.
I kill you! I kill you.
So this next thing, like I said, I've been looking for it. Couldn't find it in the stores. It was online. But the problem with buying Loungefly bags, or any bag actually, with Disney, like Disney Doonies or Vera Bradley's or the Loungefly, you never know what placement you're gonna get. So you might see it online and it might look really good, but when you get it, it won't be that exact one. So I saw this one and it was what I wanted. So it is the Pixar Disney Loungefly. So it has all the Pixar characters. The only one that it didn't have, which I was upset about, but they don't have it on any of the bags, is Carl from Up. But basically, you have the Pixar ball here and the Disney Loungefly logo. And this one has Russell and Doug and Kevin from Up.
Can we keep them, please, please, please?
No.
But it's a talking dog!
Buzz Lightyear, Wally and Eva. Her name's Eve. Sully, Nemo, the Bug's Life Flick. I don't know the butterfly or the caterpillar's name. It has Dory, Boo, Mike Wazowski, and it has a bunch of like Pixar balls. So basically the back is like this. Just that. It has a brown straps, pockets on the side. Let's check out the inside. The inside is just brown and it has a pocket there, and that's it. I will not be using this bag again. I don't use any of my Loungefly bags. They are just for display.
One thing I'll never understand about bouginess is buying things, but then refusing to use said things as intended. So because if I buy something, my plan is to use that thing over and over and over again until it's ripped, it's stanky, and it cannot be used anymore. Bougie people be out here buying shoes like, oh my god, I can't believe that dirt got on the bottom of my shoe.
And also, there is a difference between Hot Topic bags, box lunch bags, and regular Loungefly bags. Now the Hot Topic bags are cheaper, but they are official Disney Loungeflies. However, they're not, I want to say they're not as good quality as the regular Loungeflies. Like the hardware on a regular Loungefly has Loungefly on it, and it's a little bit more fancier or whatnot. And they're, I don't know, but that's what makes them cheaper. Like this bag on Loungefly.com is $75. At Hot Topic, I got it for $45, but with my cash, I ended up paying $22 for this. So a lot of savings, but it is what it is. So with that being said, that is my total Hot Topic haul. I got 5 items for $86, including the donation, and I'm happy with everything. So I can't wait to put everything up on display. I have to buy another display shelving unit because the one that I have is full. So yeah, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. Sorry it wasn't big, but it was just enough. So hope you guys have a magical day. We love you and look forward to seeing you in the next vlog. Deuce.